Okay, this is the Singer Touch and Sew 750. I'm currently going to post it on eBay. It comes with 17 discs because there's one inside of the unit itself. 3 extra base plates. I'm not positive exactly what these ones are used for. I know that this is just a normal one and there's one in the unit. There's some extra equipment here. The pieces that fit on here. There's 2 of those. The felt looks like it's a little bit worn. The felt looks like it might need to be replaced on them. There's 2 of them. The unit light turns on and off. Everything rotates smoothly. Reverse. And the unit itself. We're going to push the pedal that's included. Get a view from in here. And a view down here. Here's the power cord, the pedal. Functions seem to work. You move the style around. Choose which style you want on here. Go with a circular motion. You can see the cam spin. And that's what's for sale. That's what you'll get if you win this auction.